Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to Too Much Tech. Today I want to talk to you guys about the best Fortnite mouse. So this is actually the SteelSeries Rival 600 mouse. I just want to give you guys some really quick feedback on the mouse that I've been using for the past 2 months. Pretty much just to play Fortnite, and then every so often I'll play a little bit of like Battlefield 1 and Battlefield 4. And I think I played Realm Royale for like a couple hours. So it being the only mouse I use for the past 2 months, I think I have a pretty good opinion of it. So the first thing I want to talk about real quick is just the look and feel of the mouse. I like it. It's very comfortable for me. It's a pretty big mouse. I got some pretty big hands, so I was really glad that it fit my hands pretty well. I think most gaming mice do, except for the ambidextrous ones. I don't use my left hand for a mouse ever, so I don't really need the buttons on the other side. I would like to have all of them on one side, which was one of the main reasons why I ended up getting this mouse, is because it had 3 buttons on the side. But other than the feel of the mouse, the look of it is also really nice too. It's plastic like almost every other mouse. The RGB lights on it are really nice. The mouse is pretty customizable. You can change the weight if you really want to. I don't know why you would want a heavier mouse, but I prefer having the lightest mouse possible, and it is pretty light. But if you do want to change the weight, they have like these little weight things that you can put in there to make the mouse as heavy as you like. Now, the biggest thing about this mouse that I like so much is that the sensor on the mouse, or sensors I should say, because it has more than one, are extremely good. So it's called TrueMove 3 Plus. It uses 2 different sensors. I think one is for like detect liftoff distance or whatever, and the other is obviously your regular mouse tracking. Optical sensor, and it tracks really good. That's all I really have to say. I play on 180 hertz monitor, and Fortnite I play around 165 frames per second, and I feel like my mouse is extremely direct in game, and I think that's pretty much all we want. So it does a really good job. In the past couple months, I haven't had any issues with the mouse. I don't know what the long term is gonna be like, but I'm not really showing any signs of like wear and tear or anything like that. So I think it's gonna be okay. And yeah, it's a really dope mouse. It looks cool, it performs well. I don't really know what else you want me to say about it. It's extremely simple, man. Like just buy the mouse, okay? If you want a really good Fortnite mouse with 3 buttons, just get this, okay? It's got good tracking. The only thing that I wish this mouse had, I just wish it was wireless, but at the same time, if it was wireless, it would be slightly heavier because it would have a battery. So, I mean, the trade-offs are there. But yeah, I mean, I think the only thing that I need for my setup, I just need one of those little cable bungees, like the BenQ Zoes, I think is what it's called. Something like that. I need a cable bungee for my mouse, and I think I'm gonna be good to go. After that, I don't really have any complaints about this mouse. It's fantastic, it looks good, it feels good, it performs good. That's it. All right, here's a couple Fortnite clips so you guys can see me go to work in game, and yeah. Thanks for watching the video. Drop a like if you enjoy, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell so that you get a notification every time I upload. And I'll see you guys in the next one.
He should be weak, bro. I don't think he sees me. He's looking the other way.
A warrior.
We're in last.